and welcome to Mossy Cave and Waterfall in Bryce Canyon. You don't need to be technically in the park. I mean, you're in the park, but you don't need to go through any gate. So dog friendly, kid friendly. This is actually a ditch that was built by Mormon pioneers, and it irrigates the city of Tropic, and it's called the Tropic Ditch, and it feeds into the Pariah River. It says 118 feet, but it feels a little taller to me than that. Really pretty, lots of hoodoos up there. When you get across, you can see that there's windows in there. And then somebody did a lot of work putting this in. And if you go up that way, then you get to the cave, which would be really pretty in winter. In summer, it's pretty, lots of people here today. In summer, it's dripping from the ceiling, and it would be full of icicles otherwise. All right, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.